Article 19 Clause 1 mentions the 6 rights that need to be protected. Now let's look at each of these 6 rights in detail and also see the grounds of restrictions. Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause A, Freedom of Speech and Expression. It implies that every citizen has the right to express his views, opinions, beliefs and convictions freely by word of mouth, writing, printing, picturing or in any other manner. Through various judgments of the Supreme Court, we get a better idea of what's included under this right. First, right to propagate one's views as well as views of others. So not only you can express your own views, but you can also propagate views of others. For example, you can propagate views of Gandhiji's Satya and Ahimsa. This falls under your freedom of speech. Second, freedom of the press. This is an important pillar of any democratic country. Freedom of press helps in maintaining transparency in the governance. A free press is the hallmark of modern democracy. Third, freedom of commercial advertisements. Commercial means with the intention of making money. So marketing your products is your right, subject to the other norms and regulations. Fourth, right against tapping of telephonic conversations. How often do we see this right being violated? But remember, this is your fundamental right. Fifth, right to telecast. That is, government has no monopoly on electronic media. Students of political science would understand this right better. This right takes away the monopoly of information dissemination from the state. Sixth, right against bandh called by a political party or organization. Yes, so if you don't want to support a bandh, then just don't. It is your right. Seventh, right to know about government activities. Under RTI Act 2005, any person can file for RTI and the government entity has to reply within a stipulated time. Eighth, freedom of silence. Yes, you have the right to remain silent. Ninth, right against imposition of pre-censorship on a newspaper. This used to happen under British rule, where the press articles had to be first approved from the British government before printing and distributing it to the common public. Now let's see the grounds of restrictions on freedom of speech and expression. According to Article 19 Clause 2, the state can impose reasonable restrictions on the exercise of the freedom of speech and expression on the grounds of sovereignty and integrity of India, security of the state, friendly relations with the foreign states, public order, decency or morality, contempt of court, defamation, and incitement to an offense.